In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of text in CapCut PC. If you want your titles to pop or match your video's vibe perfectly, this is a quick, reliable way to do it without getting lost in menus. Start by looking down at your timeline and selecting your text box clip. Click directly on it so it's clearly highlighted. This tells CapCut exactly which text you intend to modify, and it ensures every change you make shows up right away in the preview. With the clip selected, move your eyes to the top right of the screen and find the Properties window. Make sure you're in the Text category, and specifically on the Basic tab. That's the home base for essential text controls. Now, in that same panel, scroll through the text options until you reach the font size controls. This is a handy landmark. Right next to the text size slider, you'll notice a small square color block. That square is your gateway to CapCut's full color controls. Click the color block to open the color panel. A palette of color circles will pop up. Each tile represents a ready-to-use color. Simply click any color tile, maybe a bright yellow for energy, a strong red for urgency, or a soft pastel to match a calmer look, and watch your text update instantly in the preview window. This live feedback makes it easy to test a few options and pick the one that feels right for your footage. If the change doesn't look like much, check that your text clip is still selected and you're on the correct tab. If you want to push readability even further, take a look just below the color grid. You'll see pre-made style templates. These are designed to add high-contrast outlines or simple background shapes that sit behind your text. One click applies a clean, bold treatment that helps your colored text stand out against busy scenes or bright footage. It's a fast way to get a professional, legible title without fiddling with multiple settings. That's really all there is to it. Click the text clip in your timeline, confirm you're in text and on the Basic tab, open the color block next to the size slider, choose a color, and, if you need extra clarity, apply one of the style templates below the palette. Instant color adjustments and a crisp outline in just a couple of clicks. You're all set, done.